Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing and the speed test of the Acer UM310. And this is a 64 GB pen drive which I got it from Amazon, guys. You all can check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And this is a very classic looking pen drive which I really like it. And this is my first review for Acer pen drives, and I just wanted to see how fast are these Acer pen drives compared to other competition. And in my case, guys, I personally feel it looks very nice, and especially the metal pen drive are my favorites all the time. And it is having some seamless curves which I kind of like it. And this is the USB 3.2 Gen 1 pen drive, so the speed also I'm just expecting it to be better. And there are a couple of things which I liked and couple of things which I don't like. This pen drive does not come with a type C connector, comes with USB-A, so you cannot use it with a MacBook unless and until you use OTG. And one more thing which I really didn't like it, which Acer should change in the upcoming pen drives, is this part. And if you see the build quality of this, it is pretty sturdy and all. And the metal pen drive really looks classy, but the top part where you connect your keychain or your lanyard is made from plastic. And I'm talking about this particular part, guys, and which I kind of was like bit disappointing, because Acer have done very good job with the entire metal body, and only that small part is made from plastic. I really don't know why. I just want to see the speed test, and I just want to know like what is the speed this pen drive gives, because it is available for about around 795 something on Amazon, and y'all can get this for a discounted rate. So you'll just check out the link in the description. And for speed test, I'm using the Crystal Dismark, which I'd been using for multiple pen drive testing. And here I'm using the peak performance mode, guys. And peak performance mode does is what it does is basically it runs a benchmark in its full glory, and which is going to tell me how theoretical speed I'm getting as well as practical speed, as you can see over here. And let the read write speed the test run, and then only I can give my conclusion on this. As far as Acer is concerned, guys, I really like their pen drives, and I think this is one of the best pen drives which are available in the market. And basically what I can say is I'm a bit impressed with the Acer's read write speed later on. And so if you like this kind of videos, you all can check out the link in the description and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And also please follow us on social media, because there is where we post most of our content and all. And this is especially the USB 3.1 pen drive, guys. So what I feel is it will be disappointing for me, because it is around 40 read speed, because I was just expecting it, since it's a metal pen drive, I was just expecting it to be much more better, like some more than 100 mbps. But as you can see over here, guys, I'm not so much impressed with the 41 mbps read speed. And I have run this test multiple times, guys, even on a MacBook, and using a OTG connector, obviously. And I did not find something astonishing about this particular pen drive, especially the read speed. And I will come back to the write speed in a while. And when it comes from a manufacturer like Acer, and then you have this trust factor, because Acer had been doing quite a well with their laptop. And I'd been using the Acer Aspire 5, I guess, for a very long time, about 2 years, and I had no issues. So as far as hardware is concerned, Acer is a trusted brand. By the way, they are not sponsoring me or anything. I just purchased this pen drive with my own money. So this is my honest opinion, because you all know on this particular channel I make reviews and speed test comparisons of all the pen drives which are available in the market. So if you want to know which pen drive is best for you, you all can subscribe to this particular channel, and also check out my other videos. And let me know in the comments below which pen drive should I compare this with, because this is a 3.2 Gen 1 pen drive, and I really was expecting it to be better. But as you can see, the write speed, I'm not so happy, because it is just 28.88 mbps, which is not even 50 mbps, guys. So if speed is the highest priority, please don't get this. And you all can check out some other pen drive from other manufacturers as well. And as you know, over here you can definitely use this with a car and a TV and all. So I have been using with televisions and all, and it is working flawlessly. Only thing, you all should make sure that if you have a older TV, you all should format this with a FAT 32 file system and not 64, so that is a way you can use this with the television, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and also do check out all these videos which we have it, and let me know in the comments below, are you thinking of getting a pen drive from Acer, or you all are thinking of getting from any other manufacturer. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video and see you in my next video.